Friends, today I will be unboxing this apna Zero Be Secure. This is a hand sanitizer machine that I will be detailing you today. This machine will be coming in a brown box with two stickers here. This is the label sticker on the box. This is one on the front and one at the back. This exactly is the product. Now we will be opening the product. At the top there is a foam cushion sheet, packing sheet. So this is how it will come out. Then gently remove the machine from the box. Remove the packing at the bottom also. इसको निकाल दे. So this the user manual is in this packing. The accessory items are packed on the side of this product like this. You have to just untape and just remove that packet. So this is the list of items in the accessory packet. That is mounting clamp, roll plug, GI mounting screws, adapter 24 volt DC charger type, and pouring funnel. So these are the items that will be there in the packet. So this is a product, and now I will be opening this product. Now this is the front look of this product. So let me explain you about this product. At the top is a pouring point. Here we have provided a dead plug which you can easily open it with the hand. Just you have to open and put a funnel here to pour in the sanitizer. Over here you have to fix up the funnel. Funnel is provided in the accessory box that I already explained you. See, this is the funnel that is being given along with this unit. So you have to keep it like this and put the sanitizer inside, just keeping a close watch on the side tube, the level tank level gauge here. So now this machine comes with a 5 liter tank capacity. So this is empty. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 liters. So you can just see here the colored sanitizer will indicate the level inside the tank. Tank is inside this product. At the bottom we have sensors. These are the sensors, and these are indicators. One is for the sanitizer on, the other one is when it is sanitizing and it is spraying the sanitizer. This is a nozzle from where this sanitizer will be sprayed. So here we have written instruction: place hands below. Over here we have two indicators, power on and sanitizing on. So this is all about the product from outside. This product will come with another two accessories, two more accessories. Open this. Once this sanitizer is poured, we have to fix up this plug also back, so that no foreign insect or anything can go into the tank. So this product comes with an adapter. This adapter you have to fix it over here. See, this is fixed here. We have a jack, DC jack over here. You have to fix it like this. This is just like mobile, like mobile or laptop charger. This you have to plug at 230 volts AC. So this is the mounting plate. You have to fix this plate on the wall at around 3 feet height, and these are the screws, two screws and two roll plug that you can use it to fix up this plate. Okay, these are all about this is all about the product. Okay, thank you.